Tubisaze a BERGINE. This is what I'm making today. Let's see how it turns out. Colena. Well, we made today BERGINE, and that's what's up. Looks ready to be eaten. With Baba. Can't eat protein, eat vitamins. Let's go. Avocado looks delicious. I'm digging in for sure. Look at that, beautiful. That's what's up. Health is wealth, and avocado is one of the good stuff. Have you eaten plain avocado before? I have. This is not the first time. It's a nice, beautiful snack or a meal. Now this is a smooth landing. I forgot to peel this. Look at that. This was a very beautiful one. Should have brought chapatis. But I've not found good ones, so this is a good snack too. I am making everything disappear. And this is one beautiful, tasty avocado I've ever eaten. It is as smooth as it looks. With Baba. One more. I'm at the finish line.